Hey community! Welcome back to SiteSpeak AI. Today, I will show you how to make your finance work easy with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central by using automation. If you are tired of doing invoices, bank transactions, expenses, and tax reports manually, this video is for you. Let's make your work faster and stress-free. Part 1. Why automate finance work? Let's start with a quick question. Are you still entering invoices by hand, spending hours tracking payments, worried about mistakes in financial reports? If you said yes to any of these, Business Central automation will save you time and effort. Saves time, no manual data entry, reduces errors, less chance of mistakes. Keeps your cash flow clear, see your money status anytime, handles taxes for you, no stress during tax season, lets you focus on business growth. Part 2. What can you automate? Now, let's talk about what you can automate in Business Central. Invoices, send bills automatically. Bank transactions, sync with your bank. Expense tracking, scan and store receipts. Taxes, auto-calculate and generate reports. Financial reports, get auto-generated reports, no more manual work. Just set it and forget it. Part 3. How to set up automation? Let's set up Business Central step by step. Step 1. Connect your bank, go to bank accounts, add your bank details, turn on automatic bank feeds. Now, all your transactions will sync automatically. Step 2. Set up recurring invoices, go to Sales Recurring Invoices, choose a customer and schedule, select Auto Send Invoices. No more manually sending bills. Step 3. Enable expense tracking, open expense management, set up rules for spending limits, scan and upload receipts easily. Your expenses are now organized and tracked. Step 4. Automate financial reports. Open Reports Analytics. Select a report, cash flow, profit/loss, etc. Set it to run automatically. Your reports will be ready without extra work. Part 4. Real-world example. Let's take a quick example. A small retail store used to spend 10 hours a week on invoices and tax reports. After switching to Business Central automation, invoices were sent automatically, tax reports were created instantly, bank transactions matched automatically. Now, the owner has more free time and better control over finances. OUTRO, conclusion: call to action. So, automating finance work with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central is a game changer. Now it's your turn. Are you using Business Central automation? What tasks would you like to automate? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to SiteSpeak AI for more useful tech tips. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.